In the book, I was under the impression, I left with the impression that you're fairly hard on Director Comey in the book, including some of the testimony he gave before the Senate after he left DOJ about the hospital room incident. I mean, yeah, and you say that the way it's been told, damaged your standing and your career. I mean, do you still have frustrations about this, and do you feel like the director sort of done you a disservice in the way he has accounted these events?
Well, listen, I'll just say this about Director Comey. I honor his sacrifices and the sacrifices by his family. To serve as Deputy Attorney General, U.S. Attorney, and now, of course, as FBI Director. I honor that sacrifice. We simply had a difference of opinion, and I wish I had a hard time understanding that, given the circumstances, the fact that General Ashcroft had approved this for 2.5 years, that all we were asking for was additional time to review the legal issues. This was a time of heightened threat reporting. That why not just wait just renew it for 45 days? General Ashcroft would be recovered, and he could then weigh in, and it would be much easier for us to accept General Ashcroft's view, given the fact that he had authorized this for 2.5 years. So it was hard understanding what was motivating the Deputy Attorney General. I have every reason to believe he acted in good faith. You said I was hard on him. I tried to be as factual as I could on him, although I will say that his... I
was thinking in particular about there's a passage in there when you discuss his testimony before the Senate Judiciary Committee.
Yes, I was going to address that.
Yes.
Typically, if you're going to go testify about something from your previous service, particularly on a very sensitive subject like the hospital visit, particularly if you've been a high-ranking official like the Deputy Attorney General, you would notify the Department of Justice, or you would at least notify the White House. And it was disappointing. It was disappointing to me, disappointed in Jim that he wouldn't have the courtesy to do that. And I've read newspaper accounts that the concern was that we would try to do something to stop him. We wouldn't try to. First of all, I'm not sure we could do anything to stop him. But why would we try to stop him? No, that to me that was foolish, and I think sophomoric. The notion that we would try to do something to stop that testimony, and that's why we weren't told about it in advance. I just disagree with that.